This section will demonstrate how to calibrate your DDS XL. The first thing that you want to do, you want to loosen up the double union nuts that are on your electric ball valves there, as demonstrated here. You want to loosen up the front ball valve, and then you want to slightly loosen up your rear ball valve. And once that's done, you want to push over your cone toward the control panel. Then you want to go ahead and tighten them back up, just kind of slightly snugly right now. This way, once we're going to the calibration menu, you don't have any water leakage at that point. Now, and again, what I'm about to explain will again be provided to you in your user menu. But as we look at the keypad controller here, your calibration passcode is 861. So you want to simply type in 861, then you want to hit enter. And then you'll notice there, the first screen past the, after hitting enter, you'll see the inventory amount there. You just want to bypass that. Then it'll show product 2 here. Obviously we're in product 2, so you want to just hit enter there. And then what you see now is the total pounds that your controller has ran since you started processing your product there. So you want to bypass that. And the next factor is your calibration factor again, as I will explain a little bit later exactly what that number is. And then don't worry about the anticipation. And then now we're into the calibration mode. So what we're going to do is we're going to calibrate this on a 10-pound run. So I'm just going to hit reset. You notice right there it says 20 pounds. Now I'm going to hit reset, and it'll say enter set point. So I'm simply going to type in 10, and then I'm going to hit enter. At this point, I'm ready to rock and roll. Now, what you want to do, you want to make sure that you have a bucket any size will work, enough to so you'll be able to capture 10 pounds of product. So what I'm going to simply do right now is I'm going to tear out my bucket. As you can see here, we just basically have a basic male scale there, nothing fancy. My bucket happens to weigh 2 pounds 4 ounces, so I'm going to go ahead and tear that out, and I'm just going to be at 0. Now at this point, I'm ready to rock and roll. So I'm going to come up under, as my demonstrator is providing. He's going to hold the bucket up under the auger there. And at that point, we're just simply going to hit start. Now, as this machine is running, you can see kind of how quietly it runs when it's full of product. But what we're going to simply do is the machine is going to put out what it thinks is 10 pounds. And then the controller is going to be asking for an actual amount. At that point, we're going to actually put in there exactly what was ran out the machine. So we'll go ahead and let this go ahead and run out 10 pounds.